Hello guys, so as I sharing in the previous video that like the new version of DeepSeek is now supported like DeepThink, right? And is that allow their model to thinking carefully before sharing the response, so that in the DeepSeek web UI you can see that's very nice UIs. They are having a buttons that allow you to like let me hover on that so that you can see it allow you to toggle between two modes, right? Think or not, like think before respond to solve the reasoning problem. If you enable it, so as well thinking before carefully before respond, but like if you want a quick and the like quick and easy response, so like just turn it up and then to like try and compare the difference between two modes. So I'm asking my ChatGPT assistant to help me create some prompt that can challenging the DeepSeek in different problem to see the difference between thing and without thinking mode to see how different is respond. So first it will be the math word problem. Let's copy the prompt and then go to this one. First we will going to try without DeepThink. Okay, so yeah, it yeah, okay, and it will generate back the response like this. So given information, let define. Now so it's for so the result like 10 and 36 a.m. So wow, like without this thing is like the response is like very clear and very detailed with all the steps that necessary to solve the problem. So now with again like prompt, let about this thing you see any difference. So first, yeah, I can see that it take longer time, right? So thinking, so you can see that it different from the previous one, right? It have some thinking here, and then it have some researching and like thinking in the background before it generate back the response. So it's like a different ways, so it working differently, right? So okay, it's have a very long thinking, and then it give you the answer, right? So let's see if they have the same. Yeah, so the answer is the same for the two modes, right? Deep thing or not, but like the way it's responded differently, right? So without the deep thing mode enable, so it's almost instantly the model return a token and generate so that generate the token, and we can see how it's like solve the problem, and then with it's come up with a final result. But like with the deep think mode, so you can see that it's taught for 29 seconds, right? And then this is like yeah, we if we toggle off, so basically like without seeing that without like and showing this information, so we can imagine that is like thinking for like 30 seconds in the background, and then it come up with a this concise response like this. So yeah, it makes sense, and yeah, something different between two modes is very clear different, right? So one thinking for 30 seconds and then create a response, and the others is like yeah, generate token from the first token to the last token to show the way it's analyze and solving the problem. But like in the end, yeah, they're on the two modes giving the same result. So let's try another one. This time it will be let's say ambiguous questions. So need assumption. Okay. I think it will be more interesting. So let's try with this thing first. Okay. So let's see how long they take for DeepSeek to think. Okay. It start thinking, right? And then it generate the token to like explain how it's thinking in the background. Okay, it's still thinking. Sometimes it's a little bit large because the token generations from their server to Vietnam. So yep. So yeah, it's kept like very long thinking. So I think it take a minute for the model to think and then come up with the final answers. Okay, I think it's like come up with several cases at the first case, second cases. Well, so I think it's almost a minute from the prompts starting until now, and then it's still thinking in the background. Yep. Well, I think it's quite a challenging question for DeepSeek to think. Yep. Let's see what is the answer. So, yeah, after like waiting for a while to see the final answer, and then we can measure how long they take the DeepSeek model to think before like coming up with the answers. So the minimum number of the waiting required is 3. So that, yeah, but like the final number is 3, and then yeah. So let's see how long they take the DeepSeek model. So 98 seconds, almost like 2 minutes, right? So you think and then come up with a final answer 3. So let's turn off the DeepThink option and then like asking the same to see. Yeah. So you can see that like without a DeepThink option, it instantly, right? Just few seconds, it instantly come back with a like answer, and then it start generating like the prompt. I mean the token is generating to solve the like the way they understand the problem and how they solve it. Okay, I think they have like similar approach, right? So they split into different cases and then like apply some logic to narrow down on the case, and yeah, the final number is 3. So I think that in this case, right, so even without a deep thing, is still able to make like correct answer is number 3, like what we have with the deep thing animal, but like yeah, and this one take 98 seconds. So yeah, it's obvious that you can see that. So like select toggle between like think and without thinking is kept like very important when you create the AI application, right? Because for the same prompt, so if you enable the deep think, it will take a lot of time for the model to like reasoning and thinking before like coming back with the answer. But like for the without the deep think, yeah, the model is kept like return the answer instantly. So depend on your case, right? If you really want to make sure that the models like thinking carefully and take into account different case, different scenario before making the final answer, so you can enable it. But if you want to the quick and the concise, the source answer, and yeah, so do not enable that. So yeah, I think that pretty much. I have a few more questions, but like I think it's enough for this quick video. So I'm not going through all the 5 questions. My purpose for this video is to demonstrate the difference, identify the difference between two modes in the DeepSeek. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and like yeah, if you have any idea in the comments, feel free to let me know. Thank you, and see you in the next video.